Hi guys, welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. I am Tasha and today I am showing you how I usually clean my sneakers, dirty sneakers. Yeah, in this Samsung Eco Bubble French look. You'll need a laundry bag I'll tell you why. You'll need an old towel. You'll need also a small bowl or basin, anything you can use. You'll need warm water. You'll need an old toothbrush. Also, this is liquid detergent. You're supposed to use a little bit because of this machine. A lot can spoil it or something. And this is bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to make a paste with it. When you're prepping your shoes, first of all you need to create a paste which you will use to remove the upper dust, the outer dirt from your shoe. Yeah. So for that you need your warm water, your bicarbonate of soda, and your old toothbrush. So right now, basically what you do, you just create a paste. And now to use it on our shoe. Yeah, but you can rinse it with warm water because before you put it in the machine, you're supposed to struggle to remove most of the dirt or all the dirt that you can possibly get. And with your paste, you don't put it on these parts because like it will ruin, but it has some clothing material, so like the machine will do that for you. Don't ruin your shoe. As you can see, the baking soda is very effective, as in it's not removing all of the dirt, obviously, but this is quite impressive. So after rinsing your shoes, the next thing that you're going to use are your laundry bags. So I'm choosing to use two. This one for the laces and this one for the shoe and the inner seams. So let's do this. fits there perfectly. And our inner soles, which I just do that and close that up. And then you take your laces and make sure to remove this with this metallic thing. Then you just do this. Put the laces. Yeah. You start by putting your shoes or the laundry basket inside the drum, and then you also need towels to balance your load, because you don't want your shoes hitting each and every side of the machine when they're being washed and cleaned and that type of thing. So we have that in there. Then you just switch on your machine. Then you put your liquid detergent inside, and as I have told you, you're using your liquid detergent because if you use the powdered one, the particles might be inside your shoes after cleaning, and you don't want that, because you might also end up rinsing your shoes again and again to remove the particles. So that is when we are using the liquid detergent. And then next, shoes don't require a really high temperature because they're shoes and they're delicate. Yeah, so you're supposed to choose the lowest temperature that your machine can go to, or the cycle with the coldest degrees. I usually go for the outdoor care cycle because it has a really low temperature, which is advised for your shoes. So as you can see, it has a temperature of 30 and a reasonable time, because it will take like an hour, and that is just perfect. So the machine is done cleaning. Let's get our sneakers and see the end result after all that. So let's open it. Yeah, here's the first sneaker. Yeah, as you can see, it's very clean, or if not, you be the judge. Yeah. Here's the other one. And the inner sole. And here are the laces. Yeah, here they are. We've come to the end of today's video, and here are the sneakers. You can be the judge. This is how they look after everything. And if you found this video to be helpful in any way possible, you might consider subscribing to our channel. Yeah, and if you have any other alternative method, you can let us know in the comment section. And please like, subscribe, comment, share to your friends if you want really clean sneakers, you know, you pull up with really nice shoes. So thank you, and see you now.